Information about Catalpa bungei. Catalpa bungei, also known as the Chinese catalpa or bungei's catalpa, is a deciduous tree native to China. It belongs to the family Bignoniaceae and can grow up to 15 to 20 meters in height with a trunk diameter of 50 centimeters. The tree has a broad, rounded crown and can be grown as a single or multi-stemmed tree. Its leaves are large, heart-shaped, and glossy green, with a length of up to 30 centimeters. The flowers of Catalpa bungei are white or yellowish-white, with purple or yellow spots, and appear in large clusters in late spring to early summer. Catalpa bungei is a hardy tree that can tolerate a wide range of soil types and is drought tolerant once established. It is commonly used as an ornamental tree in parks and gardens due to its attractive foliage and flowers. It is also valued for its dense wood, which is used for making furniture, crates, and pulp. Catalpa bungei is known for its medicinal properties and is used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat various ailments, including asthma, cough, and fever. The tree is also used in landscaping to provide shade and shelter for wildlife.